Hello, in this video I will show you how to install and configure OpenCV 3 with CodeBlocks 16 and GCC 5 on Windows. I assume that you've already installed GCC 5 and CodeBlocks on your machine. If this is not the case, please watch first my video about installing GCC 5 and CodeBlocks linked in the description. Let's start by downloading the latest stable version of OpenCV 3 from opencv.org. Select OpenCV for Windows. Open a new browser tab and download CMake, which is also needed. Double-click the OpenCV executable. This will extract the files in your Downloads folder. Now, run the CMake installer. You can accept the default settings. In the OpenCV folder, create a new folder named New Build. The original build folder contains the OpenCV binaries for Visual Studio, which we can't use with GCC. We'll need to compile OpenCV from the provided sources. Now, start CMake. Use the Browse Source button from CMake to open the Sources folder from OpenCV. Press the Browse Build and open the previously created New Build folder from OpenCV. Press the Configure button. From the generator list, scroll down and select the CodeBlocks minkw makefiles and press Finish. Check Build OpenCV World and press Configure again. Now, press Generate. Once the Configure and Generate phase are done, you can close CMake. Open the New Build folder and double-click the OpenCV CodeBlocks project. Press the Build button. Depending on the speed of your computer, the build phase could take some time. I will pause the video and resume once the build is done. Now, the build is done. There is one more step. From the Build menu, click on Select Target and choose Install. Press Build again. This will ensure that all the OpenCV install files will be copied in the Install folder. In the left window, open the Install folder. In the right window, go to the root of your GCC installation and open the x86-64 folder and the included folder. Copy the content of the included folder from the left window to the included folder from the right window. In the right window, go back one level. In the left window, go back one level and open x64 mingw lib folders. Copy the two files, starting with lib OpenCV from the left window to the right window lib folder. In the right window, go to the root of your GCC installation and open the bin folder. In the left window, go back one level and open the bin folder. Copy all files from here to the right window. At this point, OpenCV is installed and can be used in a CodeBlocks project. I've prepared a quick demo to show you how to use it. Start by opening CodeBlocks and create a new C++ project. Now, I will copy-paste an already written C++ OpenCV program. The code is linked in the video description if you want to have a closer look. Basically, the code opens a color image from the disk and converts this to a gray image. After that, both the original and the grayed images are shown on the screen. In order to be able to compile the code, right-click on the project name and select Build Options. Now, select Linker Settings. Here, we can add all the libraries that our project needs. In this case, add OpenCV _world 310 and press OK. Try to build a project to check if everything was properly configured. There is no error in the build phase. Now, we need an actual test image. I'll download an image from the internet. The image must be copied in the project folder. Be sure to copy the image in the right place or the code will crash at runtime. I will change the name of the image in order to match the name of the image downloaded earlier and run the project. Everything seems to work. Thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe.